So welcome to the channel everyone. So today we are in an urbanisation called Camposol. We're in Sector C of Camposol urbanisation. We are on the Costa.Calida where there are several beaches, and I got a lovely Neptune Deluxe Style Villa to show you today. So let's go in and check it out. Of course, Murcia International Airport is only 30 minutes from here, and several beaches are about 20-minute drive. So this is the property that I'm showing you. It's a nice Neptune Deluxe. It's all been painted throughout. And let's go in and have a look around. That is the end of the road there. So very low maintenance garden, as you can see. It's all laid to shale. Got some nice lounges there. And you've got your shower. You've got a nice fiberglass pool there. I'm just going to walk around here to give you a different angle. Now this is the pool, and they heat up lovely and quickly as well, the pools. So really nice area. So let's go up into the main house and check the property out. So just here you have a stairway with a nice balustrade. And we're going up into the D section of the property. Now this is a nice area where you can just sit and have your lunch or enjoy a glass of wine. Some people enclose these to make extra accommodation, but I think it's quite nice, very Spanish style, just to leave it open. So we're going through the main door, and as you can see there is records and there's blackout blinds on the windows. Nice Spanish style door. These are really sturdy, strong wooden doors. You come in, and as you can see the beautiful feature fireplace, never been used. But if I just pan around and step back, you can see there's overhead storage and a double wardrobe. Now you can put your ironing board, your flip-flops or your melons in there. No problem at all. Now just there you have a standard light matching the wood of the property. To pan back around again, you have got security locks on the windows. You've also got bracket and blackout blinds. You've got aircon in here, as well as a ceiling light and fan. And of course that lovely feature fireplace. So, I'm going to come over here, just take it at a different angle, so you can get a good glimpse of the room, nice and big. So I'm going to take you through the archway. Now this house is laid out slightly different to others. So in here you have a bedroom. You have your aircon and you have a ceiling light and fan. And just down there you've got your plugs and sockets for your TV. Now, this is where this place differs. Now normally I take you down here through there into an ensuite, but we don't have an ensuite in there. What you do have is a child's bedroom. So you have got double wardrobes and a single wardrobe here. If you've noticed, you've also got a door out there. Now in here, this is their bunk beds, and you just pull them down and it makes that other room. Okay, now I'm going to back down from here and I'm going to go out this door here. So as we go out, we go into a shower room. So in the shower room, it's all fully tiled. You have got a sink and pedestal, and you've got a WC. You've also got your shower cubicle just here. So you've got a nice big rain head shower on there. So let's go in here now, and this brings you into a nice double-sized bedroom. You've got his and her wardrobes. You've got your ceiling light and fan, and you have aircon. Nice big room. Just going to pan around. You have security locks on all the windows here as well. See, nice, good, spacious, big double bedroom. So I'm going to take you through. We're back into the living space, and this is your dining area here. And that leads off into your kitchen. So in your kitchen, it's more of a squared off kitchen. You have plenty of top and base units. You've got a washing machine, a dishwasher, sink and drainer. You have a water filter tap on there as well. You've got electric hob and electric oven. And you've got your fridge freezer there as well. So I'll come down here and I'll pan around. So you can just see, so that dining area is just off your kitchen. So I'm going to go through this door now, and I'm going to take you upstairs and we look at the top box. Now we are at the side of the property now. I've just come out the kitchen door and we're going to walk upstairs to the top box. So see you upstairs, guys. So let's go in and check it out. So let's go inside and have a look around the ensuite first. So in the ensuite you have got a sink and pedestal, you've got a bidet, you've got WC, and you've got a bath there with a shower attachment and curtains. You've also got frosted glass window. Just taking this bathroom at a different angle, you've got your shaving socket just there. It's all fully tiled as well. And just here you have two single beds. You could obviously put a double bed in here, no problem at all. And you've got his and her wardrobes. You've also got your ceiling light and fan above. Now take you outside onto the terrace. Rooftop solarium. It has got a sealed roof. So as you can see, lovely surroundings all around. Nice sealed roof, and it'd be a great place just to have lounge and top up that tan. Really lovely. So let's go back inside. And let's go downstairs. So we're back downstairs again, and I'm just going to take you around the back of the property just to have a look, because usually have some storage around here. So you do. Just around here you've got a shed to put bits and pieces in. Okay. It's a lovely hot day here. You'll have a water point just there as well. And that pool looks very inviting, especially in this hot weather. Hi everyone, so today we have a Neptune Deluxe Style Villa. Slightly different layout. It has a plunge pool and low maintenance garden. It's already painted throughout, so you don't need to do that. You can just move in. It is a lovely property here on Upper Sea. Now, if you are interested in this property, I will leave the reference and put it in the title of the video. So put that in the email when you're contacting the agents, and I will leave the agent's number, all the details in the description box below. So until the next time for another video, take care, and I see you again. Bye bye.